If I had to design my website all over again, I'd do this. I'm going to actually build a whole website from scratch right here using AI so you can see the exact process step by step. You'll watch me take a brand, feed all the information to AI, and have a professional website live in an hour, no designer, no coding, and without getting stuck in that endless loop of regenerating the same page over and over. Are you ready? Let's begin. First things first, get your branding sorted. Before I touch any website builder, I need to make sure this brand is completely locked in and documented. Most people open up any AI website builder and just type, "Make me a cafe website," and wonder why it looks nothing like their brand. The problem is they're trying to build a website before their branding is even finalized. And what happens is they launch the site, realize their colors don't match their vibe, or their fonts look unprofessional, and they have to redo everything from scratch over and over again. So here's what you need to have ready before you start building. Your logo, your fonts, your complete color palette with hex codes, and your branding imagery style. Maybe even an image library, which would be better, and your business tone of voice, clearly defined. If you don't have this all figured out yet, don't worry. Watch my video, If I Started a Business with No Branding, Here's My First 3 Steps video, and that'll walk you through getting everything sorted step by step. I'm building a website for a fake brand called Ithaca Vegan Cafe, and I got everything ready in a brand board that I've created earlier. And if you want to create this, you can go ahead and watch Lazy Ways to Create a Brand Board in Canva video by me, so you have everything handy. As you can see, I got everything ready here: the fonts, the colors, the logo, and a clear mood board with the imagery style that's natural, earthy, and warm. Once you have this all documented, you're going to load it into AI. I'm using ChatGPT here, but you can use Claude or any other AI chatbot that you prefer. And you're basically creating a brand brief where you tell the AI everything it needs to know about your visual identity and tone of voice. That way, when it's coming up with your content or helping you generate other prompts, it's going to match your brand from the start instead of giving you something generic. I've got a complete prompt template ready for you to copy and paste directly into your preferred chatbot below in the description. You can just copy and paste it and fill in the details of your own brand. This prep work saves you hours of frustration later. You're telling the AI exactly who you are up front so it can work with you and create a website that actually feels like it's yours. You can also download my free brand consistency scorecard from the description to make sure you're not missing anything from the start. Next, generate your website content. Now that the AI knows this brand inside and out, I'm going to put it to work in 2 specific ways. First, I need the AI to write all the website content using the brand voice. Second, I need to create a detailed prompt for the website builder that includes all the branding information so the site generates correctly for the first time. So I'm asking AI to do 2 things here. First, I'm saying, based on this vegan cafe brand, create a sitemap for the website and write the content for each section using the brand voice. The AI plans out the pages I need: homepage, about, menu, contact, and writes the copy for each section. If you want a 1-page website, make sure to note that in as well. Hero headline, about section, menu preview, all of it should be there. I'm saving this in a document so I can copy and paste later. Second, I'm asking it to generate a prompt for my website builder that includes all the brand colors, how to use them, fonts, imagery style, and structure. This detailed prompt is what I'll paste into the AI builder so it doesn't spit out something generic. Both of these prompts are below in the description for you to copy and paste and enter your own details in. So what happened here? In about less than 20 minutes, I've got all my website content written and a detailed prompt ready for the builder. No staring at blank pages, no guessing what to say. I would also go in and make sure to read all of this and change anything that doesn't look right to you. Next up, choosing the right AI website builder. Now let's talk about which AI website builder you should actually use, because there are a lot of options out there and you might get overwhelmed and confused if you go in and Google everything. And most of them are either too complicated or too basic. You need a builder that's easy to navigate, generates professional looking sites, and actually lets you customize things without you fighting the interface. I'm going to give you the best two options for solopreneurs and small business owners. First option is Hostinger. It's affordable. You can get it for as low as $3 a month if you commit to a longer plan. And it has a really clean, straightforward interface. The AI does a solid job of generating professional sites, and it comes with helpful features like an AI SEO assistant that'll help your site actually get found on Google faster. Everything is easy to customize, and the quality is high right out of the gate. The second option is Durable. It's even simpler than Hostinger and generates your entire homepage section by section within minutes. It's perfect if you want something up and running fast without a steep learning curve. Both of these builders let you paste in a detailed prompt with all your branding information, and they'll generate a site that actually matches your brand. Instead of giving you a cookie cutter template, you just pick one that fits your budget and how hands-on you want to be. You don't need to test every builder out there. Pick one of these two, let go of the decision fatigue, and you'll have a professional website up faster than you thought possible. Next is the fun part, build your website. Okay, for this demo, I'm using Hostinger, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works from start to finish. I'm going to paste in that detailed prompt I created, let the AI generate the site, and walk you through what it creates. I'm opening Hostinger, clicking on the AI website builder, and pasting in the prompt that includes all of branding. The colors, the fonts, the imagery style, the tone of voice, and the full site structure. And then it starts generating the site. And look at this, it's pulling in the color palette. It's actually using earthy imagery that matches the brand. It's creating the exact sections that I asked for, like magic. The homepage has the hero section, the about section, menu preview, everything. And because I gave it all the brand information up front in that detailed prompt, it actually looks like Ithaca. The colors are right, the vibe is right, the layout makes sense. This is what happens when you do the prep work first, instead of just hoping the AI guesses correctly. The AI builder generated a solid foundation within minutes, and now all I need to do is go ahead and go through everything and customize to make it perfect. Now it's time to customize and finalize your site. Okay, the AI gave me a great starting point, but I'm not done yet. Now I need to make it mine. This is where I go section by section and swap out anything that's not quite right, paste in my exact content, and make slight visual alterations if I wanted to, and make sure everything works the way it should. I'm going through every section and customizing. For instance, I'm swapping out this stock image because I have a better one that I wanted to use for this section specifically. I'm pasting in the exact copy ChatGPT wrote for the hero section so it matches the brand perfectly. I'm adjusting a few fonts where needed to make sure the hierarchy is correct. I'm making sure all the buttons link to the right places and that the contact form actually works. Next, I'm also using Hostinger's AI SEO assistant to optimize the homepage. I'm feeding it the keywords that matter for a vegan cafe, and it's generating the meta description and titles that'll help people to find this site on Google with ease. Next, I'm previewing the website both on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks and behaves and functions smoothly on all devices. Once I'm happy, I hit publish. So in less than an hour, I've gone from a brand board to a fully functional website that looks professional and actually represents the brand. No designer, no endless revisions, just a clear process and the right tools. So here you go. Building a website doesn't have to take weeks or cost thousands of dollars. If you follow this exact process, finalize your branding first, load it into AI to generate your content and detailed prompt, choose a solid website builder, and then customize it to fit your business, you can have a professional site live in days, not months. Grab that free prompt template and brand consistency scorecard. from the description so you can do exactly what I did for your own business. And if you need my help, I'm dropping a link below so we can work together on your website if you wish. Your website doesn't have to be perfect, but it does need to represent your brand and make it easy for people to work with you. And now you know exactly how to do that. Now that you know how to design your website from scratch using AI, you might be wondering how to choose colors that fit your brand, that make your site look cohesive and professional. But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video next, because when you pair what you learned with what's in this video, your website will look more polished and more intentional. See you in the next one.